Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, and today we're doing a video, and wow, I actually haven't uploaded for almost a year, and I really apologize because, I had a lot of school, homework, blah blah blah, excuses. But here we go. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports with a 2 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 processor with 16 GB of memory. It has the Intel Iris Plus graphics card. I would highly recommend this computer for everyone, but if you need to have more intensive work like editing or pushing it to the max, I would choose the new 16-inch MacBook. But if you want something just as good as mine but cheaper, I would recommend the 13-inch MacBook Pro with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. It's a great computer. Only downfall is you get the 8th generation Intel Core i processor, but not the 10th Intel Core, just like this one. And it also has 2 less Thunderbolt ports. But I don't think you will pretty much mind, as long as you have a USB-C hub.
I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. Tell me why. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. 'Cause girl, you got me feeling anxious. Girl, you got me feeling anxious. It's been so long since it was just. Why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me. Anxious. Why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. Tell me why. I just wanna know what's taking so long for you to come through. 'Cause girl, you got me feeling anxious. Girl, you got me feeling anxious. It's been so long since it was just. Why don't you come over, baby? I just want you to hold me close. I'm feeling anxious.